Nash Enriquez and Jake Figueroa has not seen the floor together, but Leon Martel gets his second triple of the game. Good size crowd we are having here at the Pasay Astrodome. No look pass by Ryan Batino. Malakas, second chance is good. Gets the bump, the basket. Mark Parks gets their first minutes of the ball game. Spin move by Brian. Leon has had 6, make that 8 in the ball game for Leon Martel. Tucker Molina. They're asking for a travel. Leon, ball is loose. The ball goes side of Pasay. Mark Parks gets the ball. Dave. Sean. Sean. The beautiful dipsy-do for Sean Aldefonso. Baka memorize at baka maging kontrapelo talaga nitong si Jake Figueroa. Steve, all the way. Far out. Pajarito decides to go for the 3 straight line and in. But kanina, itong Ilagan nanalo against Bacolod. Parks gives it up. Tapped from behind by Raven Gonzalez. Steve. Felicilda using the speed. Inside hand is not good. Takbo ang Pasay. Jello gets the finish. Rebounded by DJ Fenner. Felicilda. Labas dito kay Dave. Good pass by Dave, but Pajarito.
Wow, what a block by Pajarito.
Felicilda though with a re-steal. Sean can't get it, and Dave finally stops and pops, can't get it. Jello to Alcoriza, wide open. Straight line and in for Renz. Alcoriza. They go far up. Munmun gets the tap, but Felicilda looking like a track star, getting to the basketball first. Almost 24. 10 seconds remaining. Dave slips. Madulas ang bola natin
Madulas
dito.
talaga yung bola.
Steve attacks. 3 seconds remaining. Corner, Alcoriza, long, Martel. Almost got the putback.